Where are you from?
Nigeria.
What is the
Bang.
name of your religion? Are you Muslim? I am Muslim.
No, 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 no. I'm a Christian.
Okay, I have understood. What time is it now in
Alright.
your country? Please explain about this matter
Okay, this is
clearly.
6:58. That is in the evening. This 6:58. Yeah. So what time is it?
Here in my country, Bangladesh, 11:30 p.m. at night.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. You're welcome. So how you doing over there?
You will follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you back. Yes, I followed you. Okay. Okay. You say
How
what?
do you pass your free time means
What are you saying?
there is a time. How do you pass?
Okay, I spend it on a low key, probably staying in the house, going through my phone, watching TV, and anything that comes up. So how about you?
Okay, I pass my free time by watching television and reading books and talking to each other or someone.
Okay. Hmm.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby. Like, hmm, there are many, but let me just pick one. Like watching TV, yeah. Watching TV, like what movie, good series. So how about you?
I spend my free time
Okay.
by reading books and talking to someone
Okay.
from all over the world.
It's a nice one. Yes, yes, yes,
Okay, I have
yes.
understood that electricity has gone away.
Yeah. But
What is
my favorite food is afang. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you guys are welcome to my live video. How are you doing? What's up for today? Chico Chico, you are welcome. You were saying? Yes, yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen it. All right. Okay. Yeah.